Marnie, and this is the Secret City Wild Bots vlog week 2 update. So on Monday we had the first prototype drivetrain, prototype done, and then we started developing code for the first drivetrain. And then on Tuesday we built the first 4 field elements, and we selected the Woody Flowers Award candidate. Wednesday we luckily got a snow day. That was really nice. We kind of got like a little break in between. And Thursday we put on encoders on our Dragonfly. Friday, the prototype shooter, and we also did the ball intake. And then we also had the Dean's List nominees complete the Dean's List award worksheet, and so that was all done at the end of the day. And then Saturday we finished the tower, and the program and command and control drivetrain subsystem was finished as well. We tested the MVP on the shooter and the scorer, and we padded those MVPs of the drivetrain. And then we finished the hotel update, or hotel arrangements for Palmetto, and we also finalized who's going. And we're completing the prototype intake of the concepts. And that is all being done today, and it should be finished by the end of today. See ya!